In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Google Workspace on a yearly basis. If you've been navigating the intricacies of billing and payments within Google Workspace and you're looking for a way to streamline your finances by opting for a yearly payment plan, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through each step together, ensuring that you have a seamless and straightforward experience. To start off, log into your Google Workspace account and locate your dashboard. This central hub is where you'll find a host of options and settings for managing your account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the billing section. This area is your gateway to managing all financial aspects of your subscription. So go ahead and click on Billing and then select Payment Accounts. After opening your payment accounts, the next step is to manage your payment methods. This part allows for flexibility, whether you wish to update your current payment details or switch things up a bit. Since we are operating within the context of a free plan, it's essential to examine your current payment method closely. You can either choose to remove your existing card or add a new one. If you are keen on updating your method of payment, this is your chance to make that change. When you add a new payment method, the system will unlock various options for your plan. This is where you can tailor things to meet your needs. Be mindful of the choices available and consider what would suit your circumstances best. One of the critical decisions here is to choose between a monthly or a yearly payment plan. For those who prefer a longer-term commitment and want the convenience of dealing with payments just once every year, selecting the yearly option is the way to go. Choosing a yearly payment plan can be advantageous in several ways. Not only does it reduce the frequency of your payments, saving you the hassle of monthly transactions, but it could also offer potential cost benefits depending on the promotions or discounts available at the time of your selection. Once you have made your choice, the system will guide you through finalizing and confirming your selection. Ensure that all the details are correct to prevent any future mishaps. And there you have it. A simpler, more efficient approach to managing your Google Workspace payments by opting for annual billing. If at any point you encounter difficulties, Google Workspace has a robust support system that you can reach out to for assistance. Now you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your Workspace billing is settled for the year, allowing you to focus more on what matters. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.